Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that scientists have discovered frozen water beneath the Martian surface enough to potentially support future human colonies? Combine that with cutting-edge technology, like oxygen extraction machines and sustainable farming experiments, and Mars might not be so uninhabitable after all. Join me as I dive into the biggest space challenge of our time. Can humans really colonize Mars by 2030? With NASA and SpaceX in the lead, this dream is starting to look like a very real possibility. But before we start packing our bags for the red planet, we need to face the hard truths. First, distance. Mars is over 140 million miles away. Traveling there takes 6 to 9 months. Second, radiation. Without Earth's magnetic shield, astronauts would be exposed to deadly cosmic rays. Survival. Mars has no breathable atmosphere, extreme cold, and little gravity, meaning long-term health issues. Then there's the cost. Mars missions could run into hundreds of billions of dollars. And let's not forget the ethical questions. Should we even be colonizing another planet before fixing our own? Still, we're making massive technological progress. NASA's Artemis program is preparing humans for deep space through lunar missions, while SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable rocket, is being tested to carry humans to Mars in the near future. New technologies like MOXIE, which extracts oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, and AI-guided robotics for building habitats and conducting research are pivotal to making Mars colonization feasible. Private companies like Blue Origin and government agencies in China and the EU are also investing heavily in new technologies that could accelerate Mars exploration. A turning point, the 2021 touchdown of NASA's Perseverance rover, which not only searched for signs of ancient life, but also successfully tested MOXIE, the device that produced oxygen from Mars' carbon dioxide-heavy atmosphere. And let's not overlook the Starship orbital tests. If successful, they'll mark a historic shift in how we travel through space. Every test, every technological breakthrough, brings us one step closer. Mars colonization by 2030. It's still a long shot, but the technology is advancing rapidly, and the ambition has never been stronger. The countdown has already begun. What do you think? Will we set foot on Mars within the next 5 years? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love space content, check out our video on the Artemis program, or the future of space tourism linked right here.